Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, anytime you're watching this. This is just a quick follow-up on the previous video on how to troubleshoot Windows 10 and 11 problems with command prompt. This is just a quick tip just to show you the practical approach step by step so that you'll be able to see. I am going to share my screen so that you can see the the steps. Very practical, very simple. Also, you're going to see Windows update problems. When you have problems updating Windows 11, this also can solve it. And this is a very yes. I've just shared my screen. You can see now from Windows, you can use all these method to you just go to your Windows, then you try to start with command prompt. I mean, with admin, CMD, admin privileges, then you type the SFC/scan now. We're using the system file checker, scan now to repair, to refresh the system of apps and all that. You press enter, it will start, and then you can continue using it and doing other things. Then it will refresh the file to repair all the system files. The applications that are crashing, everything will be normalized. Also, you want to also see if you want to, if you have problems with the update with Windows 11 update, you also can see that it is, you can go to, you try to go to local disk C and then go to the Windows directory. And then from there, you will look for what we call, you will look for this thing called, yes, software distribution. So, and this is the software distribution folder. All the files there can be deleted. You select all, and then you press Shift Delete. It will delete that so that you can refresh your update issues. That means you cannot update Windows 11. It's giving you error, Windows 11 update error. So you clear all these files, and then you can now come back to the Windows. You can start, you can click on the Windows icon, and you run this command called services.mcs, MSC. That is the command that calls all the services running on the system. Then you go and look for Windows Update Service. You can see. Then you check the property. You set it to automatic. Then you now stop it. So after stopping it, you will then restart again. You right click on it and restart it just to start afresh. By that time, you see the system file integrity has been finalized, and you delete all the files that have been deleted. Now you can now go back to your settings. It should work now. So the Windows update issue should be solved now. Thank you for watching this. For the other disk For the other DISM, that one will be done later. I don't want this video to be too long. That's why I'm just doing this for the SFC and for the Windows 11 update issues step-by-step guide so that you can see how it is. So don't forget, the first thing is to start the Windows launcher. I mean, the Windows menu launcher, and then in the search, or you don't need to start with that. Probably you just click on the search and then you type CMD, and then you see the admin you see the admin privileges. So then you right click and then you select that, and then you proceed to all that we have done. So let me review it again because of the importance. So let's look at it again. Okay. You can see command prompt run as administrator, and then you type the SFC system file checker /scan now, and then press enter. It's going to refresh the files. It's going to begin system scan to take some time. You can start doing other things while it does the work in the background. Now I want to see if you're having Windows 11 update issue also. I'm trying to repeat it for clarity. You click on the folder, go to local C, go to Windows directory, search for software distribution folder, and then select all the files there. All the files there. These are all the files that have been used before. That may be causing the update error. So you shift and click delete key to delete all permanently instead of keeping them in the recycle bin. So you can see it's about 1.93 here gigabyte. So you can allow it to continue while you do other things. You can minimize it while you go to you can just click on the Windows Start button or icon, then you run services.msc is the service to bring the service, this one normally is to launch all the service running on your system. So you select the Windows Update service. You see it's running and it's manual. So you can make it to be, you check the properties so you can set it to automatic delay start. Okay. Then you apply it, then you click OK. Then you stop it now so that it can be reinitiated. It can be restarted. You can see that all the files in the software distribution folder has been deleted. So this will now start a new thing. So this SFC scan now has finished. So, and then you see that these files are being deleted for the software distribution. And then after that has been done, then you see that you are all right. So thank you for so I'm going to stop here because of the time. Don't want to be too long. I will do more on the other one, and then like, subscribe, and share with others.